technology that is built for your every sense. Acer Pure from Acer.
Statement. Thanks very much for joining us at the moment. Viewers, remember Prime Minister Modi's decisive declaration comes amid the ongoing government crackdown on undocumented immigrants in various states. The Prime Minister said that demographic change, especially in border areas, is a direct threat to national security, unity and progress. But for the opposition, the Prime Minister's warning to the infiltrators was a divisive speech. While SP's Akhilesh Yadav claimed that the Prime Minister should speak about the geographical change instead, others from the opposition accused the Prime Minister of whataboutery.
अगर ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी ये बता दे कि भारत का क्षेत्रफल 2014 में क्या था और आज जब हम 2025 में खड़े हैं तो भारत का क्षेत्रफल क्या है, हम तो उस प्रदेश से आते हैं और हम सब लोग जानते हैं अगर मेड़ भी कोई काट दे तो हम उसकी हत्या कर देते हैं। तमाम ऐसे केस हैं गांव में, अगर मेड़ किसी ने काट दी तो लाठी न जाने क्या क्या चलता है। आप सोचिए हमारे भारत की जमीन कितनी छिन गई। ये हम नहीं, हमारे पास आंकड़े हैं। जो डेमोग्राफी की बात कर रहे हैं, डेमोग्राफिक जो हमारी व्यवस्था है उसकी बात कर रहे हैं वो लोग, उन्हें ये जरूर बताना चाहिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी और संगी साथियों को कि भारत का क्षेत्रफल क्या है। आज
घुसपैठी आ रहे हैं, इस पर चर्चा करिए। बहन बेटियों को इसमें क्यों ला रहे हैं? हर चीज में बहन बेटी को क्यों लाते हैं? किसी पर भी कोई प्रहार करे व्यक्ति बाहर से आकर, उसका हमको उसके सामने खड़े होकर हमें उसका जवाब देना है। लेकिन घुसपैठी हैं, अगर हैं आ रहे हैं तो कौन उनको आने दे रहा है? आज सुरक्षा किसके हाथ में है? आज किसका अधिकार और दायित्व बनता है कि घुसपैठियों को रोके, और अगर नहीं रोक पा रहे हैं तो क्यों नहीं रोक पा रहे हैं, इस बात को स्पष्ट।
But I think, see, India's, if he's got any information, Prime Minister should reveal it instead of just, creating something for the sake of defending his actions. But I do not know his full statement, but only if I read his full statement will I be able to react.
Prime Minister Modi should not speak about one thing as a rule, and that is women of this country. I remember he spoke about women's security, and within hours, the perpetrators of Bilkis Bano, the ones who had done crime against her, were released with his consent, with his concurrence. The reality is that the Prime Minister chooses to campaign for people who are found guilty of raping women and mass rapes, people like Prajwal Ravenna, people like Kuldeep Singh Sengar, people within his own party. He has not been able to control crime against women within his own party by his own legislators. That's point number one. Point number two, what do you keep doing for about 5 years? Suddenly when there is an election you talk about infiltration. You have now been in government for 11 years. How have you not been able to hatch those, stop those conspiracies?
इस देश की जिम्मेदारी इनके ऊपर देने का काम किया है देश में, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि डेमोग्राफी भी किसी को कोई तोड़ने का काम नहीं कर सकता है। अमेरिका के राष्ट्राध्यक्ष बार बार कह रहे हैं कि मैंने सीज फायर कराया, उनका नाम लेने के लिए भी पता नहीं क्यों डरते। इतनी बड़ी टैरिफ जो है अमेरिका ने की है उसके ऊपर बात करने के लिए डरते हैं। संसद में 300 खासदार सड़क पर उतरे, संसद से लेकर चुनाव आयोग तक, और वो इसलिए उतरे कि जो वोटों की चोरी होती है उसके बारे में हम लगातार बात कर रहे हैं। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मोदी जी ने अभी समझना पड़ेगा कि वो 11 साल हो गए देश के प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं, अब उनको जिम्मेदारी लेनी होगी।
The demography of nation is only can be changed if we Indian die. The leaders of Bengal had taught us that you give your life, you give everything, but you protect your motherland. So Mr. Modi can be assured that if required, another Subhash Bose, another Prafullo Chaki, another Khudiram Bose, another Binay Badal Dinesh, another Matongini Hajra will come up from Bengal and fight that battle to protect our motherland.
You need to go and ponder over the issue in deep. Because demographically, if you are speaking, then what was the population of India in 1947? What was it in 1990? Now we are in 2025. So demographically, if you go to see that demographic dividend which has been talked about by the government off and on, that where is the demographic dividend? What are we getting? We are the youngest country in the world, but are we getting that demographic dividend? Instead of saying, or instead of trying to make this kind of statements which would divide people among themselves internally, that is not that won't augur well for the country. The youngsters, those who are there, those who are unemployed, they should be given honorable jobs. What jobs are being offered? In the name of jobs, contract labor, gig workers, numbers are rising by the day. It is in crores. What is meant for them? Whatever jobs you are offering, they are all temporary jobs. People are looking for public sector jobs, government jobs.